Hello everyone, welcome to my poultry farm. I am Thabelo and this is my home. And I'm growing my babies here. Welcome to my broiler chickens. These ones are chickens for meat. You grow them until 6 weeks. If they didn't grow enough to a size that you want, you can grow them until 7 weeks and then you start selling. That's broilers. Those are the chicks. They are 2 weeks old.
2 weeks old. How old are these ones, the boilers?
Probably, I lost track for the count, but then I think they are 8 weeks because you can see already some of the chickens are gone. I lost a few because some chickens were having flu and I just noticed it when it was late. In order for me to treat the flu, I give them this gomboro, this lasota. So gomboro you give them after 14 days and then day 21 you give them lasota. So it also prevents the diseases.
So your chickens are healthy?
Yeah, they're fine. As you can see. Next door we have layer chickens. Those ones are for eggs. For a chicken to lay, it has to take 24 to 26 hours. They lay 1 egg per day.
How many do you have now?
Right now I have 50 chickens.
50. How many do you wish to have at the end of the year?
I'm working on the budget to have more than 200 chicks. So by the end of the year, I might be having the chicks that I want, which is more than 200 of course.
Nice.
But in the future, I should have my own hatchery machine so that I can hatch my own chicks, grow my chicks from small babies until they lay. Because these ones I just bought them from someone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.